All right, welcome back once again, wonderful people. Welcome back to this wonderful channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you did the year of voice to the crypto. And my first time listening to this wonderful channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And we don't come back again with the one news with our table, still on top of the matter. This one now from a different perspective where you get that, you get this news. Now you're gonna talk for yeah. Gonna say Oriwa allows landmark court ruling declaring proscription of IPOB as unlawful, illegal, in a significant legal victory of the cause of the self-determination and fundamental rights. The Human Rights Association of Nigeria, Horiwa, has commended the recent ruling by a federal high court in Enugu State that declared the prosecution of the indigenous people Biafra as a terrorist organization unlawful and illegal. A statement by Emmanuel Onwubiko, National Coordinator, Human Rights, Writer, Association of Nigeria, Horiwa, October 2026. Shortly after the ruling described the court decision delivered by Justice A.O. Onovo as a beacon of hope for the protection of individual liberties and the upholding of the rule of the law. Huriwa acknowledged that self-determination is a fundamental human right as affirmed by the court ruling and should not be treated as a criminal offense. We stand in solidarity with the principles of justice and the preservation of the rights of all citizens. It emphasized the importance of non-violent approaches to pursuing any political or social cause. In this regard, we urge the leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra to embark on a path of democratic reform. Transparency and purpose-driven actions is essential for the organization to disassociate itself from any form of violence, which has repeatedly denied, and to operate lawfully within the bounds of the Nigerian legal system. Hence, we were called upon IPOB to recognize the jurisdiction of the competent courts in Nigeria and refrain from any actions that may encourage their members to confront law enforcement agents, stressing that the court's decision has set a precedent of peaceful and legal engagement in the pursuit of their objectives. And wonderful people, see on top of the matter they talk about say IPOB people say the court not say as court already said they are not illegal, they are registered organization. Say all the thing what they do now illegal, now legal something. Say they don't already go for court and they don't see them as legal organizations. Say nothing what they do now. Say anybody where they talk to IPOB now criminal organization or violent organization. Say na lie. Say na lie. Say nothing like that. Say na the people na IPOB na registered organization. So all the to give them damage, they will give them 8 billion as 28 billion for damages. Say all this one where they call IP people criminals and other violating organizations. They gave them 28 billion. Give Ghana the kind of 8 billion. And this one where they talk they give them money. But you know that we never see the money. When they don't talk say we don't receive the money when they give them. They say we go believe say they give them money. And they never release Ghana the Kano. So when they talk now, we don't understand them until they release Ghana the Kano. And say as they never release them, say this one where they talk now just talk where they talk. And but Oga say Huriwa don't say the place say the organization now legal now. So anything where they do, because say as long as it's not against the law, is permitted. And I was going to talk for here. Huriwa also applauded the court's ruling as a crucial step in protecting individual rights and ensuring a just and democratic society. We encourage all parties involved to respect the rule of law and engage in constructive dialogue to address the concerns of the people. ensuring that justice and democracy prevail. It is our hope that this heroic decision will be a catalyst of positive change and an era of respect for human rights in Nigeria, and we remain committed to championing the cause of justice and individual liberties, the statement said. Una know say for our place for this Nigeria wey we dey, anytime we talk about anything concerning human rights, that's our people no dey see am as criminal act or all these things say na offensive something. But for here, as they talk now, say this one now wey they don do na a step to ensuring human liberties, human rights liberties. And then say anybody you don't get our rights as human. So say you get some rights like freedom of speech. So all this thing where they talk, now the thing where they talk for here say at least this one is a step forward in human rights. Say but we still get another matter where there our table where we go one like share with una. But to stay say but thank God say they don't recognize IPOB as a legal organization. It's no more they are no more seeing it as illegal. Now it's legal. But still on top of the matter, they talk for a year. At least Supreme Court suit against me. Mere distraction. Uzodema. Hope Uzodema and not say Hope Uzodema they contest for governorship election. And as they contest for the governorship election, and not say he goes anything to make sure he wins. And in the talk for a year, he also talk say he go give unknown government amnesty. For the people where they follow us back to back. So now go here when we read for that news where it gives our non government amnesty. But we know that this one amnesty, I won't give our non government. Maybe not the same people where go born for you, where go born your house for your hometown, for where they disrupt people for your hometown. Now the same people where they give amnesty. We still don't understand. But for a year, you can say it was State Commissioner for Information and Strategy, Declan Emelumba, has dismissed recent reports that the Supreme Court was the process of removing Governor Hope Uzodinma and described it as an academic exercise. The commissioner spoke on behalf of the All Progressive Congress (APC) candidate and the governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma. He called on the people of the state to remain calm over what seemed as a purported attempt by the opposition to seek an enforcement from the Supreme Court on its judgment of 2022 concerning the double nomination of Uche Nwosu for the 2019 gubernatorial election. Olumba described the latest suit by the opposition as a distraction and mere academic exercise, since the Supreme Court had laid to rest all issues pertaining to the election when it affirmed Senator Uzodinma as the validly elected governor of the state. The commissioner in a state he released in Owerri, the state capital, said since it was obvious to the opposition parties that they were losing the upcoming governorship election to Uzodinma, they had contrived the suit to cause confusion and distract the electorate. And I know say them carry Oga Hope Uzodinma comot for court. Now they say they talk for years, saying a distraction. Say they use and distract them because they know say Oga Hope Uzodinma go win this election because they carry all the strategy come and they say it be like say this man go win this election. Now he make them take that move, fire and come out court. Say make them know because they tell the people of supporting APC. Say make them know shakes, nothing mega. Say this one na mere distraction where they call them. Say this one not because they know say the opposite party say they don't see because they see say Oga Hope Uzodinma they win for this election. Now it made the cause confusion and distraction for the team for this election where won't happen. But we know say in God they talk say we know say Oga Hope Uzodinma go win, but we never sure we no go still conclude yet until they don't do election finish. But when they talk say he described the latest effort as an exercise in infertility because The so-called ruling on Owosu was on nomination and not as the candidate of APC in the third election. According to him, they have forgotten that Uche Nwosu later went to the Federal High Court to challenge the candidature of Uzodinma. And they call the person, why did they bring up this matter? Say even them don't forget say this kind of thing happen. Why they bring her up? Now because they know say Oga Hope Uzodinma they win them, and I make them bring up this matter. Wonderful people. Now here where we go cut them for now. I beg, if you never hit that subscribe button, don't forget to hit it too, so that anytime when we get a Bonga news radio like this, now you will be the first to be notified. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.